Let's be honest. Some days I'm just not feeling it, but I still want people to be like, she looks so good. And I swear, it's not magic. It's lazy fashion hacks that make you look like that girl without even trying. If you want to look expensive, Pinterest level aesthetic, and Gen Z approved without doing the most, keep watching because this video is probably for you. Okay, first things first, you can't build a fire outfit if your closet's full of random chaos. So here's what you need to know. There are two concepts you have to master: core and contrast. Core colors are your base layer. These are your closet best friends. These are the calm, classic colors that go with everything, like black, white, gray, beige, brown, olive. They're literally your style holy grail. These are the pieces you grab when you're rushing, tired, or just not in the mood to think. Like, throw on beige pants and a white top. You already look minimal and clean. It's giving model off duty. Now to make your outfit not boring, we add contrast, a little spice. Think pink with gray, brown with baby blue, olive with white, black with red. The trick? Keep your base chill, then let one piece scream a little sesa. It's like beige pants plus, white tee plus, orange bag. Simple but so intentional. Or black cargos plus, gray crop plus, neon sneakers. Instant baddie vibe. Here's one of the simplest style tricks that makes a huge difference: the 3-color rule. Your outfit should never have more than 3 main colors. That's the sweet spot. When you wear too many random colors, the outfit can feel overwhelming, like there's too much going on at once. Why it loses that clean, put together feel. But when you stick to 3, like black, white, and beige, like your outfit looks calm, balanced, and effortless. 3 colors is enough to show personality without making the outfit feel too busy. Well, it makes everything look more intentional, like you planned the vibe even if you didn't, like black plus, blue plus, gold or beige plus, cream plus, blue or yellow plus, blue plus, brown. So next time you're choosing an outfit, pause and count your colors. Okay, step 2 is something I wish someone told me earlier. You don't need a huge closet to look good. You just need a few outfits that always feel right, the ones you reach for without thinking. It's called finding your effortless uniform, that one outfit formula that works for your body, your mood, and your life. It's different for everyone, but once you figure yours out, everything gets easier. For me, it's usually cargos and a fitted top. I can wear it with slides, sneakers, a zip-up, even throw in a bag. And I feel like myself. It's not trying too hard, but it's not random either. Some days it's just an oversized hoodie and shorts, comfortable, soft. And when I add clean sneakers, a claw clip, maybe a mini bag, it still looks like I put thought into it. It doesn't have to be trendy, it just has to feel good on you. When you find that go-to outfit formula, you stop overthinking, you stop wondering if you look okay, because you already know what works for you. It saves time, it keeps your style consistent, and it makes getting dressed feel, start there, like one outfit that feels right, and slowly build your uniform around it. That's how effortless style actually happens. To build an effortless uniform, you need a formula, something simple, repeatable, and true to your vibe. And that brings us to step 3, learn your go-to outfit formulas. The outfit formulas are those easy combinations you always feel good in. They're not about trends, they're about knowing what works for you on any day. A few examples: baggy pants and a fitted top, oversized hoodie with shorts, a basic tank and wide leg jeans, or even a neutral matching set with clean sneakers. These formulas give your style structure without any extra effort. You can wear the same formula over and over, just with different colors or textures, and it still feels fresh. That's the beauty of it. You're not styling from scratch every time, like you're building on something that already works. And when you find those 2 or 3 formulas that match your lifestyle and energy, getting dressed becomes easy. You're not stuck thinking about what looks good or if things match. You already know your base. This is where style gets simple. You stop second guessing and start repeating what feels right. So take a minute to notice what combos you reach for the most, what make you feel comfortable and confident. Step 4 is simple. If you want your outfits to hit without overthinking, you need tops that actually work for your body, not just your closet. Like, we all love trends, but when you're wearing something that doesn't sit right on your body, you feel it. You keep adjusting it, you don't feel fully comfortable, and that's what kills the vibe. So instead of forcing stuff to fit, just learn what shapes your body naturally leans into, not to fix anything, just to flow better with it. If you're bottom heavy, like hips wider than shoulders, go for tops that give your upper half a little more volume or structure. Cropped shirts that stop at your waist, wide necklines, or even boxy tees, they balance your shape and look so clean. If you carry more weight around your tummy or bust, you don't need tight, you need soft structure. Think flowy v-necks, wrap tops, or a little ruching, something that doesn't hug too hard but still gives you shape. If you're naturally curvy with a defined waist, let that shape show without overdoing it. Go for fitted baby, scoop necks, or tie front tops. Keep it chill, keep it simple. Step 5 is all about choosing bottoms that actually balance your shape, because real talk, no matter how good your top looks, if the bottoms aren't working with your body, the whole outfit can feel off. This isn't about hiding anything or dressing to impress anyone. It's just about finding silhouettes that make your body feel easy. Like, you put them on and they just sit right, no adjusting, no tugging. If you've got wider hips or more shape in the lower body, like a pear-shaped vibe, go for bottoms that give your legs room to breathe. Straight leg jeans are a classic. They don't cling and they fall naturally. Wide leg trousers, game changer. They balance your proportions and instantly make an outfit feel styled. And cargos with structure but not too much stiffness. Perfect with a tucked tee or a crop. If your weight sits more on your upper half and your legs are slimmer, go for soft volume on the bottom. High-waisted paper bag pants are a win. They don't squeeze your stomach and still give you shape. A flowy midi skirt with a basic tank on top, that's a chill, balanced outfit that works without trying. If you've got an hourglass shape, the key is to keep the waist visible and let the curve show naturally. High-waisted flared jeans look amazing, especially with a tucked or cropped top. Tailored trousers hug the waist and fall straight. Super flattering, super versatile. And if you're into comfy pieces, even soft-ribbed biker shorts with an oversized tee can still give you that silhouette without being tight all over. If bottoms don't have to be a statement, they just have to feel like your base. When the fit is right, the whole outfit builds itself around it. So yeah, step 5 is pick bottoms that your body likes. Not what's trending, not what everyone's wearing, just what sits well on you and lets you breathe while still feeling pulled together. Step 6 is low-key powerful, but it's the one most people skip. If your outfit feels a little flat, like it's missing something, it probably just needs texture or layering. Texture isn't about going over the top, it's just about mixing things that feel different. Not everything has to be cotton or jersey. Try pairing denim with a soft knit, a leather jacket over a baby tee, a ribbed tank under a silky button-down. Suddenly your outfit has depth, and you didn't even change the colors. And layering doesn't mean heavy or hot. You can throw a flannel around your waist, tie a sweater over your shoulders, or unbutton your shirt halfway and layer it over a crop. It adds movement, and it makes your outfit feel more styled, even if it's basic underneath. Like imagine this, a basic white tee and beige trousers. It's cute, but kinda plain. Now you add a black crossbody, layered gold chains, maybe a light button-up left open. That same outfit just leveled up, and you didn't add a single bright color or crazy piece, you just layered smart. That's it for today's video. I hope this gave you something real to take with you. If it helped even a little, hit the like button so I know this kind of content's actually useful, and if you're building your style your way, I've got more coming to make that easier. So hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.